Hey you guys, it's me Trudy. Hey, so I'm here. Yesterday, or maybe it wasn't yesterday, but my last video, I did a Dollar Tree haul, and I hauled one of these crafting your curiosity Dollar Tree thing. Was $5, that they have, and I thought I'd pick one up for the grandkids, and if I want to do a little tracing myself, that'd be fun too. But I thought I'd do a little bit of I don't know, a review. I don't normally do these, but I thought for this, I think I will, just so you guys can see how it works, all that sort of jazz. Alright, so the first thing I want to tell you is that mine was opened, and mine was obviously messed with, I don't know, taken apart, whatever, but it says it comes with a USB cable charge. It comes with it. Mine did not have that. So somebody obviously took it out, but it wasn't in there. The other thing is it came with this, but it wasn't in there. So somebody was messing with that. Alright, so keep that in mind when you go, if you go buy yours, make sure, you're not like me and get one that's messed with. The other thing is this, you guys. So this is not, and I don't want to say it's messed up because it's probably not, but gosh, it's so fragile. But see, this right here is coming apart. I'm gonna glue mine, and I think that'll be fine. That'll keep it safe. I had a USB. This is what I had. It could have been somebody messed with mine. I'm thinking that's what it was. But even if it wasn't, for $5, they're not going to be that. They're not that. It's not that. What are the words I'm trying to use? It's not a high-end item, you guys. It's, you get what you pay for, basically. But definitely keep keep this in mind when you pull it out, if you get yours. Be very, very careful. Okay? I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to plug it back in. Just so you guys could see that's what happens. It's plastic, it's not glass. It's one piece, so it's just like that. It's very light, very light. So this would be good. I think it would be good for kids, like for traveling, maybe, yeah, it's not electric. I mean, you just plug it into the car. I think it would be fine. So this would be fun. So I have a piece of white copy paper and some watercolor paper. And then I printed some, I don't know, little freebies that you can get on the internet. But I am going to use this. This is some, I don't know, painter's tape, sort of. And just use it and just show you how it works. And I think this would be a good little thing for somebody who wants to learn how to draw, trying to practice maybe, needs a little bit of help. I think this would be a good little tool to have for somebody who's trying to learn how to draw. Okay, you guys can't see it, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to turn the lights off, and I'm going to show you, because I think you'll be able to see it better. In fact, I already checked. I know you will. So we're going to turn the lights off. All these lights. And there you have it. Okay, so now you can see that this is a really cool little tool to have if you know, let's say you want to do a little, you know, just, I don't know, just kind of drawing and brush up on your sketching. I like gnomes, you guys. You know, so this is really fun, and you can see it really good. Okay, so this was just copy paper, but I thought I'd go ahead and do, let's try watercolor paper. Okay, so this is our copies right there. That's just what we drew. And then it works perfectly, you guys, look. And this would be really fun for like watercolor. So if you have an image, and there's so many like free images online that you can print, and then if you had this, you can just trace it. I have like all kinds of different pens in here. I have this Arteza. But how cool would this be to make like some watercolor, you know, or use watercolor pencils, right? So you can, you know, just trace it, and so, you know, you don't have to be an artist. Well, I mean, we're all artists, I think, but you don't have to be all, you know, perfect. So there you have it, you know, you can just do that, and then so you have your little pattern, and you get your little, you know, you can get your watercolors and watercolor this, and you can put it on a little, cut it out, put it on a little card, put a little sentiment there. There you have it. That's original artwork from you, right? So I think this is cool for $5, you guys. I mean, the only thing I can say is that be careful, make sure it's not open. My Dollar Tree kind of gets, you know, it gets pretty crazy there, and demolished, and it's unfortunate. My Dollar Tree is not beautiful, but that's okay, you know. I go to other I like to go to other Dollar Trees, but for $5, it's a nice little thing. And like I said, you can use it. I'm going to probably put it in the travel, or buy one and put one in the trailer for the kids, you know, when they're with me. This way, you know, maybe some coloring things, and they can just sit outside, because you can get like a little portable charger and use this. They can use it in the car. Like I said, this is plastic, so I think it's a good deal. So, and like I said, mine, you know, and just be careful when you pull yours out, because it's kind of cheesy and it could fall apart. But, you know, as long as you hold these together when you pull it and push it in, it should be fine. Be careful with the kids, because they're pretty, you know, they can be a little rough sometimes, but I think it's a good deal. So there you have it. There is my first review. Alright, you guys, I hope you liked it. Please like, please subscribe, and comment if you found this was helpful. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.